Kaizer Chiefs are visiting AS Simba of DRC in the CAF Confederation Cup second round of the preliminary round. Okay, so this is AS Simba of DRC, not to be confused with Simba SC of Tanzania. So this is a tie, right? This tie is a decisive battle in the second preliminary round to determine who advances to the highly coveted group stage of the competition. The nature of the clash. The DR Congo Simba versus the South African Amakhosi. While Kaizer Chiefs are one of South Africa's most storied clubs, AS Simba from Kolwezi, DRC, represents a tricky and relatively unknown challenge, especially when playing in the tough Central African environment. Okay, so FC Simba from DRC. Okay, let us look at their continental focus, determined to make a mark in the competition, relying on a home advantage and aggressive play. Okay, let us look at their domestic status. AS Simba is a solid club in the top tier Congolese Linafoot, often playing in the shadow of giants like TP Mazembe and AS Vita Club. The current challenge, the two-leg tie, is a true test of their continental quality against a high-profile opponent in the nature of Kaizer Chiefs. Now let us look at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, of course, are aiming for a strong continental run to compensate for recent domestic struggles and reach the group stage. Okay, Kaizer Chiefs is one of the most famous clubs in Africa, a four-time South African League champion with a massive national following, which is known as Amakhosi. Their primary goal is to progress to the group stage, requiring a disciplined performance to manage the difficult away league. In terms of the head-to-head, as I've already said, that it must be noted that previous high-profile matches involving a team from DRC, that is Simba and Kaizer Chiefs, there's none. Okay, there's none. They're meeting for the first time at this stage of the competition. Okay, so what are the details of the match? The clubs are facing off in the second preliminary round of the 2025-2026 season of the CAF Champions League. The first leg taking place on Saturday, the 18th of October 2025, right, at TP Mazembe Stadium, Lubumbashi in DRC. Okay. The second leg, of course, will be played in South Africa and will be played at Dobsonville Stadium. So my predictions for this match, I'm predicting a 1-1 draw in this match. That's my prediction. You guys go to comment sections and give me your own predictions. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Tebos Kosana. Thank you very much for watching, guys.